Deck construction in Union City. As a Union City homeowner, you know the importance of design. With so many style options available, it's hard to choose just one for your home. But when it comes to design, one factor that should be at the top of your list is functionality. That's why a patio or deck is such an important feature in any home. It's the perfect place to relax with family and friends, or simply enjoy some time for yourself. And when you think about all the countless hours you'll spend on your patio or deck, it's easy to see why design should be at the top of your list. With so many design options available, there's no excuse not to have the perfect patio or deck for your home. So make the most of your outdoor space and Union City community by remodeling your deck today. When you are ready to take the plunge and add a patio or deck to your home, it is important to find a professional who can help you create the perfect space for your needs. You want someone who is honest and has a good reputation, as well as being reliable and offering a fair price for their services. Checking Google reviews is a great way to get an idea of what others have experienced with a particular company. It is also important to make sure that they use quality materials and craftsmanship in their work. A little research up front can save you a lot of headaches down the road. If you're looking for a construction company that you can trust, look no further than ours. We're a reliable and honest company that always puts our clients first. We always work with integrity and professionalism. Our clients come from all around the Bay Area and they trust us because we're honest and reliable. We'll work with you to come up with the best possible solution for your needs, and we'll always be respectful of your budget. We only use quality materials, so you can be sure that your finished product will be great. And we'll let you know what kind of materials we use and their prices so there's no surprises when it comes to your budget. And if you don't believe us, just check out our Google reviews. Our clients rave about us because we always deliver on our promises. So if you need a construction company that you can count on, give us a call today. We'll be happy to answer any of your questions.